Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have a small job to do. I'm going to be cutting down some branches and small trees that have fallen down in the early winter season. There was a little storm that happened, so some of the trees and branches have fallen down. So I'm going to be using my electric chainsaw just to cut up in some pieces and then clean up that area. And then I'm also going to be clearing up this space on farmland. So there's some trees hanging over on the field. So I'm going to be cutting it back just to have more space for the farmer to use for their crops. And yeah, today's a great day to do it just because it's actually a nice winter day. All the snow has officially melted, so it's been kind of like a weird winter. It'll snow for a little bit and then the snow will melt away and then it'll come back again and just melt away. So it's been off and on, off and on. And yeah, it's been kind of unusual. It's been kind of mild, and I feel like it's the effects of global warming, which is scary to witness and see, and hopefully it doesn't get worse, but yeah, we'll see where it goes. So today is February 10th and it's Chinese New Year. So happy New Year to everyone, and it's the year of the dragon. So hopefully it'll be good fortune for everyone, good health, and good things coming your way. So let's get started on this video and make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get started. Thanks for watching this little video. I'm patiently waiting for the season to come for the lawn and garden care jobs. But yeah, so until then, take care and have a good day. Bye.